Hello, everyone. Welcome to part 11 of our Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. That's right, Principle 11, diving into this one. Oof. I really don't like this principle. That's just, I guess I don't find it very important myself, but clearly he did, so that's why we're getting the conversation going on it. To paraphrase this one, it's about lightening your material load. So, letting go of a lot of materialistic things in your life. I would interpret it a lot as being kind of detaching from your material possessions. And he's saying give away what you don't use anymore and don't tell anybody you did it. So don't just do it for the fact that everybody's like, oh, you're so generous. And don't ask anything in exchange for it because, he says that. And basically kind of do it for you. So lighten your material load, your life will get better. I think this principle is kind of stupid. That's just me. I mean, mandalas and all, paint your, Buddhist painting in the sand out in the desert for 3 days and then wipe it away, impermanence. Let go of the too much stuff in your life. Like, I know the non-materialist thing is a thing, but I think it's kind of stupid. Just like saying, okay, because materialistic things really influence people, okay? So if you want to change the world, you need tools like money to really pull that off effectively. Now you could argue people like, but Gandhi, he was poor and yet he did it and all this kind of stuff. I can point holes in some of the stuff that Gandhi did if I wanted to, but I won't do that. I just want to talk a little bit about his non-materialism and how I would interpret it and use it versus just some people would. I think non-materialism overall is an attempt to reach a type of enlightenment, but I don't find it very useful, at least in my development on this process so far. He's saying lighten your material load, give away stuff you don't need. Okay, so this is very good. Give away stuff you don't need. If you don't need it, then give it away. But I mean, if you could sell it, then sell it, okay? Because money is valuable, money buys you things, all that kind of stuff. So there's no reason not to sell your stuff if you can sell your stuff. I think that's just the only part I really disagree with. If you have too much stuff, then go through the process of decluttering, Marie Kondo, whatever, throw it away. Kind of art of decluttering kind of stuff. Go about doing that, get rid of the excess stuff in your life if you want to, if you feel like it. And that can be useful because we don't want to be hoarders. We don't want to be surrounded by too much stuff so that we can't enjoy our rooms, enjoy our life. All that stuff's good. Like, get rid of the clutter in your job. Don't do the stuff that's worthless, that you don't find enjoyment in, that doesn't produce results, all that kind of stuff. So decluttering is good and detachment is good. Detachment is not like not caring, but it's more like it's not disinterest, which I was watching a video the other day that talked about how detachment and disinterest are oppositional, but yes, they really are. So detachment really means that you can enjoy your stuff without needing it. It's like you don't need it to be there, but having it there is really nice. So don't throw away all your fun stuff and everything that, kindles joy or whatever, but do get rid of all the stuff that you don't need and don't want. And if you can sell it, sell it. If not, then give it away. Lightening your material load in that regard is good, okay? Now, non-materialism, I think, takes it a step too far, but that's just me. So that's my interpretation of this principle. Just let go of the stuff you don't need, go through the art of decluttering and, kind of optimize your life, but don't be stupid about it. This is my interpretation. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Let's talk about this kind of stuff because I love these topics. It's super interesting to me. And I think these kind of principles have helped me in my life, and I hope they can help you in yours as well. So thanks, everybody, for watching, and I will see you guys next time with part 12. See ya.